How do policy definitions affect insurance claims? Have you ever wondered how the specific terms in your car insurance policy can impact your claims? Understanding policy definitions is key to navigating the world of auto insurance. These definitions are the specific terms used in your insurance contract. They explain what is covered, what is not covered, and how coverage applies in different situations. This clarity is essential when it comes to filing claims. First, let's talk about the types of coverage. Your policy might include liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Liability coverage helps pay for damages you cause to others in an accident. Collision coverage pays for damage to your vehicle from a collision with another vehicle or object. Comprehensive coverage, on the other hand, covers non-collision events like theft or damage from weather. Knowing these definitions helps you understand when you can file a claim and what losses are eligible for reimbursement. Next, consider the term actual cash value. This refers to the value of your car based on its age, condition, and mileage. When you file a claim, the insurance company will reimburse you based on this value minus any deductible. This means you may not get back what you originally paid for the car. Knowing this helps set realistic expectations for what you will receive in a claim settlement. Additionally, policy definitions outline the responsibilities of both you and the insurance company. They specify how and when to file a claim and what documentation you need. For example, the declarations page of your policy defines your coverage limits and deductibles. This directly impacts how much you can receive when making a claim. Exclusions and conditions in your policy can also affect whether a claim is approved. If an incident is not covered or if you violate any policy conditions, your claim could be denied or only partially paid. For instance, using your vehicle for unauthorized purposes can lead to complications in your claim process. Understanding these definitions can prevent misunderstandings during the claims process. It can also reduce disputes and speed up the resolution of your claims. When shopping for auto insurance, knowing these terms helps you select the right coverage options for your needs. In summary, policy definitions shape the scope of your insurance claims. They describe coverage, limits, exclusions, and procedures. The specific wording in your policy determines what losses are covered and how claims are processed. Understanding these details can make a significant difference in your experience with car insurance.